channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Kobe, and I'm back with another POV drive, man. Back with another video for y'all boys. Hey, I slacked. I missed 2 days, but that's cool. That's cool. We back with another lit video, man. We finna get us an early morning POV drive. I don't know if y'all can see the time right there, but it currently is 7:19 in the morning, and it's already traffic. This is why I can't stand Houston, bro. If you live in Houston, if you know, you know. I can't stand this traffic, bro. It's 7:19 in the morning and it's already traffic. I was finna try to get y'all like a lit little highway POV. No, sir. We're not getting on that highway. We're not getting on that highway at all. But that's cool though. That don't mean the video ain't finna be lit. Said these boats can't take these turns. Yeah. I'm sorry I couldn't get the highway for y'all. Maybe next time, but that traffic was just, no sir. No sir. That traffic wasn't it. And I know y'all ain't trying to see me sit in traffic. Golly, why this street so raggedy? Aggressive downshifts. When I say aggressive, I mean aggressive. Yes, sir. But nah, we finna get this POV. I'm already getting it off the way y'all like it. I'm already cutting up a little bit for y'all. How y'all day going? How y'all morning going? If y'all laying in the bed, get up and go do something. Go get to that money on. Get to work. Go work out. Go enjoy your day. You feel me? If it's nighttime, have a good night. Regardless, like, cause I don't know what time I'm gonna upload this video. I don't know what time it's gonna get to y'all, so. Oh yeah, you already know what it is. I like how he knew to get out my way. God. Don't do it. Don't do it. I ain't gonna lie, I wish I had some money to give, bro, but I ain't got none. Nathaniels. Alright now, brother. Don't be walking up on my car like that. Y'all know I got that blick. I don't know what he thought this was. He walking up on that window. Hey, that ain't a good thing to do, sir. I'm scary. I'm gonna pull that fire quick. Let's see if the Mustang wants some smoke. Let's see. We gonna try him. Let's see what we can get out the Mustang. I don't think he wanna play. Sheesh. Got us another Mustang. Let's see if he wanna play. Oh, okay. Okay, we might got us something. Let's see. You gonna jump in front of me and brake? Come on, I'm with all the action. Nope. Come on. Come on. I'm with all the action. Goofy. I gave it. I gave it, nigga. Y'all don't see that Mustang in sight. That's how you give it. Y'all don't try this at home. Don't try this at home, kids. Please do not try this at home. Oh my God. Did y'all just see that? What are y'all doing? Sheesh. I'm gonna show y'all how to drive the Scatpack, gang. I lost my phone with that turn though. Did y'all see that? This is getting a little hot in here. Let me roll the windows down a little bit. I need to chill. My tire light already on. I don't even know why I'm playing around like that. That might be a little too much wind on y'all. Y'all see all that traffic? I'm glad it ain't on my side. We gonna turn up here though. See what we can go do in the neighborhoods. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot, and that letting that window down didn't help, so we finna turn the air on. Bear with me, y'all. It's steaming. Finally. I'ma be nice and I'ma go slow. I ain't finna come through here flying. I see your sign. Trust me, I see it. Y'all, I apologize if this video is shorter than what it usually is. I ain't trying to be out here too long. I'm gonna go home and edit it for y'all. So I apologize if it's a little short today. How you doing? I got a bike for you to ride. I ain't going down that street only because it look like it's a school zone. You know what? We'll try it. We just probably got to get past the school zone. We'll try it. Dang, she got over here fast on that bike. She not playing no games. Come on, baby, let's go. It's a school zone, so I'ma chill. I don't condone in doing too much in the school zone. If you know that ticket gonna smack. Now after this school zone, it's another story. I respect y'all. Dead end, buddy. Wake y'all. We ain't gonna cuss. know I'm waking everybody in this neighborhood up though. Hey, what is he wearing? What is he doing, a hazmat? Bro got the whole hazmat suit, don't he? Hi, my friend, we are back. Just went and made a circle in the neighborhood. Give y'all a little content before we wrap it up. She looking like, what the hell did that nigga just do? Getting my contents for my people, man. Went and woke the neighborhood up and left. No, my tire light on, my gas light on. I'm so tired of this car, bro. It's unreal. I can't keep no tires, I can't keep no gas, and these the cars y'all want, y'all can have it. Come take mine. These Mopars is killing me pockets, gang. So I need y'all to hit that like button. I need y'all to subscribe. I need y'all to turn on post notifications. And I need y'all sharing the video. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this Mopar digging in them pockets. So I need y'all to do all of that for me, gang. If y'all wanna see some more content, some more lit content like this, I should say. Cause who else up early in the morning doing this for y'all? Besides SRT Kobe, who else doing it? Nobody. Answer it for y'all. You need a ride, baby? Oh no, that's a school. We getting up out of here. That's a little straggler walking the street over there. Them stragglers is out this morning. I'm good. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. We finna wrap this video up. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. So what I need y'all to do, like I just told y'all, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well. Stay tuned, gang. I need y'all tuned in for these lit bangers. So I need y'all doing all of that. But with that being said, oh, also, if y'all stayed this long, comment school bus. If y'all stayed to the end of the video, comment school bus. But with that being said, I love y'all boys. I'm out.